2, 1, go.
And the teams are off in match number 45 of what will be a total of 62 qualifiers. Today, we are looking at Autonomous, the first 15 seconds of the match. Programmed by the human players. They gain points by moving from the original starting position and scoring coral or algae. Now, for 2 minutes and 15 seconds, the human players have control of the action taking place on the ocean floor. As 33-44, the Space Dragons attempt to place a piece of coral on top of the reef. It drops off back to the ocean floor. They'll come back at 68-29. The Ignite Robotics scores 5 points for their alliance, placing it high atop the reef. On the reef, you see in the middle of the field on each side. At the bottom, there's a little trough. That's worth 2 points right now. That first level, that first branch that you see of the coral, that's worth 3 points. Where 68-29 was trying to get to, at high atop the branch, that's worth 5 points. And in the middle, it's worth 4. The little round spherical objects that are blue-green in color, those are called algae, and they can score points by processing the algae for 6 points and scoring in the net for 4. 68-29, that's the Ignite Robotics team. They're at the coral reef one more time, trying to place it high, falls back to the ocean floor as 33-44 attempts to place it high for 5 points for their alliance. As it's 19-5 right now, it makes it 19-10 if they can complete that. 33-44 does so as they've got just over a minute left to go in match number 45. 60-23 with their elevator up at the ocean surface level. Trying to pick up that algae, it looks like. They can score that algae in the net on top of the barge. 10-3-38 playing defense, trying to keep the Red Alliance from gaining that coral at the coral station. At the coral station on the side, the human players from the barge on top pass that coral down a chute to the robot on the ocean floor to reseed the coral reef. We're down to 26 seconds left to go at 68-29, moving around. Blue Alliance bot doing the same. 33-44, that's the Space Dragon. That sound, that sonar sound means that there's 20 seconds left to go in the match as the bots can accomplish many points in the end game. 68-29 does another 5 points as they move to the barge zone to gain 2 points for their alliance. When they park inside of the barge zone, which is that taped area up underneath the barge, they gain 2 points apiece for each one of the robots in that zone at the end of the match. As we did yesterday and as we'll do again today, we'll wait until the fish start swimming on the reef to tell us who was victorious in that match and who the final score will be, what the final score will be, not who. And here we go, we're looking and we see that it is the Red Alliance victorious in that match with a score of 40-19. 40-19. Each alliance that wins a match gains 3 ranking points, and those ranking points are valuable when it comes to the final standings here after match number 62.